Okay, welcome back, Skallywags. Mike and Matt.
Great to see you all again. Mike and I just got back from our Alaska adventures.
Adventures galore.
We are enjoying August here in Anacortes, getting ready for the new school year. So we have about T-minus 1 month before we're ready to fire off, and we're looking forward to it.
Technicians in training.
Lots of folks already signed up, couple more spots. So if you know anybody that wants to come join our program, now is the time to do it before it's totally full.
Yeah, we got to wrap up a few loose ends from last year.
Yep, those of you who've been following along, got a little bit to do on Lady M. Going to do some sea trials first thing this fall and get that thing on the market and sold. And then electric truck.
Fun little project. Absolutely. We've had a couple of viewers reach out and want to do a tour of the Lady M.
Yep,
so we'll have a date in September when people can come see that project that's done.
Right.
But the exciting part is this project right here. We've picked out our next project for Marine Tech.
It's a big one.
It's not small. It's how we do things.
48-foot custom Bob Perry catch.
And then I got to throw a teaser out there. We got another project.
Oh, there's definitely another project brewing. Just can't say no.
Can't say no.
Apparently, but no. And I told Mike, and there's video proof of it from a previous video where we're like, yeah, I think it was Art that said after the King's Pride project.
Yeah.
We're never doing anything of this scale.
And it's we're doing it. It's part of a big educational thing. That's why the community college is involved, and we'll give you lots of details about that. But we wanted to just put it out there, what we're going to do. So we're going to go see Bob first of all and get some drawings.
Yep.
Figure out what we got going on here. This boat's been to the South Pacific. It's been up to the Aleutians, I think. It's been Alaska. It's definitely got some serious miles under her belt.
I'm definitely built for that kind of world cruising. For
absolutely, yeah. So. Turns out the engine's hungry.
Engine's hungry. Generator is non-functioning. Rigging could be updated. So we're going to be doing at least, engine, generator, rigging. Loads of systems are going to get upgraded.
Water maker, electrical.
Kind of a full refit.
Turns out just like before.
Sort of like King's Pride.
Yeah.
And this one has a timeline that's a little tighter too.
It does. We got to have it done by May. So, but it's what we do. It's going to be super fun. So it's a great boat. It has, so the engine, this whole cockpit comes out.
Yep.
It'd be so much easier to put an engine in with this out of the way.
Oh yeah.
The old Yanmar's got 9,000 hours on it.
Hungry.
It's
still running.
It's had the head off. It's overheating. It runs, as long as you don't run it hard. But it's definitely just time to replace it.
Yeah.
So we'll source out a different engine. We'll make those decisions. So this is the engine room. And when I say engine room, it is an actual room. How sweet. We got fuel manifolds, filters, big alternator already. Tons of access. I mean, just open these two doors right here and oh my gosh. Water lift muffler looks a little tight, but it's all right. We'll source it out. Hydraulics controls. Some weird vented loop, but we'll figure it all out. Then like that whole cockpit floor comes out with the steering pedestal and just up the Yanmar will go. Source out the generator. I definitely want to do some electrical and batteries, the systems crew. But it's beautiful. It's meant to go to sea. It's you go in down in the back, it's got a quarter berth right down here, side berth, pilot berth type of thing. It's got double in the back. Berths on the sides. It's got lee cloths everywhere. Lee cloth in the settee. Forward, you got a V berth. Great galley.
Great access to all the systems, which is really, for me, kind of that's the most important.
That's for me too. And so you can follow along. We are going to get the rigging class, like Matt said. It's got industrial chain plates. I mean, the rig apparently is spec'd out. Oversized. I don't know. I've never seen it.
Sure looks like it. Just going around looking at the size of the stuff.
We'll find out why and get the story behind it. But so yeah, we'll take the masts off straight away and haul it to Marine Tech. Let's get started.
Yep. Pull out the old engines and let's go.
It's gonna be fun. So I think that's it for now.
That's it. Stay tuned.
While working on One Ocean, got a little distracted here. Look at this. Instructor Art's got the digits. We're gonna try and get an interview with the builder. Apparently it's electric, so they're gonna use it for education. The electric motor, electric drive to get it out of the marina. They're working on Coast Guard inspection because youth training and stuff. traditional Viking ship. Oh my gosh. Spectacular. It's got to be 50 feet long because it's in a slip right next to the one ocean.
June. We're going to be starting classes in a month here, and we'll keep you guys updated as this thing comes along. So,
yeah. Thanks for watching.
Looking forward to another year.